So it is April 28th, 2022 at 10:47 a.m. And here I got some diced another plum tomato that I rinsed and then diced, yeah. Okie dokie. Now to get the other, great, my finger's covering the camera. Look at that. Camera lens. And vegan chickenless tenders here. Vegan chickenless. There's no animal protein whatsoever in it. It's plant-based. So I like to cube it up because it's easier to digest. Okay. Like that, you know. I'll have to pull it apart with my hand in a minute. I just thought it would be funny to document this the way I oh, this is the fast prep method that I'm doing. Alright. So I'm perforating it. That's better pronunciation. Just break it apart with my hand in a minute. This knife doesn't do the greatest job. Okay. Anyways, and I have to get the pasta that I already made yesterday. I left over in this bowl here. And so I have to go over here. Okay. Good. There's a lot there too. There's wheat in there because it's a durum wheat semolina angel hair style pasta. So this has got wheat gluten in it, I believe, too. I don't think they're gluten free. I know that it's multi-grain, but let me see the packaging. I don't know. I don't think they are. Yeah, it contains wheat and soy, so they're not gluten free. That's okay. It's a good product. I like it. Let's see. Let's use one of these large plates again. That's fine. It's okay. That's good. Alright, we wanted to clean out a utensil real quick. I could just imagine like a Saturday Night Live type skit to parody based off of what I'm doing. That's funny. I just gotta clean out a utensil for a second. Just give me a second. Clean utensil. You know, it's like a character that has. They would confuse it with obsessive compulsive disorder, or someone who would be assuming that. You know. I do have a slight case of that when it comes to, like, you know, what I call intrusive thoughts that I've heard in the past that other people have said. I sometimes have a hard time blocking it out if, like, I think it's funny or something, I'm thinking about it. It's just like, that happens. Oh well, whatever. Normal. Okay. I have my reasons to clean my utensil in the morning. Just need a tissue quickly.
I'm getting annoyed with you. Don't shut up.
Okay. Good.
Use the cord.
It's funny. really is. That's what I mean by the Saturday Night Live skit. Well, I'm not giving them permission to do that necessarily. Okay. I just think it's funny. The other character gets upset over me getting a tissue to dry the fork. Okay, it's funny. It smells really good. I'm going to eat it, it's just below room temperature. I already cooked it yesterday. Usually I would warm it up, but I like the way it turned out. It tastes more like a salad. I used only 2 slight heaping teaspoons of turmeric yesterday, and approximately an additional half-level teaspoon worth that was the remainder of the turmeric. Usually I would normally do 3 slight heaping tablespoons of turmeric, but it turned out good. The usual 3 level tablespoons of balsamic, 5 level tablespoons of olive oil, and with the angel hair variety pasta, I had used 2/3 of a box. Yeah. I'm not sure exactly. It's the standard serving size. I think it's like 240 calories per serving. The pasta. But, let's see. Hold on. Okie dokie. Someone else. 200 calories per serving. 8 servings per container. So if you divide 8 by 3, divide 8 by 3, you can't do that evenly completely, but, and then multiply it by 2. One of those by 2. That's how you would do it. I'm too lazy right now to do it. I'm not great at mental math like that. Anyways, someone else would probably easily be able to, figure that out based off of those variable values that I was given. Anyways, I'm just hungry. I don't feel like, wasting my energy, trying to figure that out right now. I think differently when I sit in front of the computer, though, a little bit. So basically, I divide that box. There's 8 servings per container, 200 calories per serving. If you were to divide 8 by 3, get the value. Okay, so it'd be like, okay, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So it'd be 2.5. 2. That would be 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it'd be 300 calories times 2. This is 600 calories total, and then you divide that by. Oh wait, hold on. That's only including the pasta I'm talking about. I'm only talking about the pasta right now. The other ingredient, with the additional ingredients, you would do the additions, obviously. Yeah. So the whole recipe for the pasta alone was around 600 calories, but I'm taking about a quarter each time when I put on my plate like this of that pasta. So if you do 600 divided by 4, 2, 4, 6. Yeah, that's 100 calories. Yeah, around there. Something like that. For the pasta, I believe. So, that's good. Okay, good. Great. Usually when I do screw up when it comes to things like, oh god, no. Right now. Better. I'm not even trying to put that much thought into that area. You know, I'm just like, whatever. That's not my spot. You know what I'm saying? I'm not like. I'm just trying to demonstrate this right now. Get that out of here. Oh, there. Good. Whatever. Okay. So pull these apart. This is my plate, so I'm not sharing it with anyone. So today I'm just being messy with my hands. And that just proves I don't really have the traditional OCD completely. I can break that, you know, complete cleanly type behavior. Except to avoid having to go inside to get another tissue or something, get my mother upset because I'm asking for a tissue. You know, it could be annoying after a while. So I do sometimes, you know, take that step to rinse my hand, but then I would have to dry it. So, just being lazy today. $10:59. That was a record-breaking time. It's good. So, it's better if I leave it. Nah, that's better. Safe. Okay. Is there any napkins or tissues? Oh man. Pinched nerve in my chest that causes like this gas bubble in my chest. I have to like move my ribs a certain way so it pinches the nerve so that it can like, yeah. It's a muscular issue. Right. Any tissues in here?
No.
I have to wash my sweatshirt anyways today, so I'm just going to rub it on my sweatshirt. All right. Okay.
There's tissues.
No, don't worry about it.
Want paper towel?
No, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Okay, good. It's fine. It smells really good. It's really good stuff. What, Bridget? You guys should try a little bit of this afternoon. There's another 3 portions here, depending on how much you want. Okay. Okay. It's good. You and Bridget could split yours in half, one size that I eat in half to try it out.
I don't want anything
Cube
right
up
now.
a tomato, plum tomato, and some vegan chickenless tenders. No?
Thanks anyway. My stomach's funny.
Okay. Here, I'll just show it to you so you see what it looks like. Oh, okay. The shush. They like to say shush a lot. Okay. Oh, man. See? Look. I'm recording, by the way, just so you know.
Yes, that's nice.
Yeah? Would you like that for lunch?
No, thank
Something
you.
like that? Or
Not
half
today,
the amount?
no. I'm not feeling
Okay.
great.